Make a great choice today with the 2016 Jeep Cherokee. The Jeep Cherokee offers superior off-road capability. This makes the Cherokee a fine choice for families who venture off-road or vacation in the mountains or other remote areas. This vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rear spoiler, brake assist, traction control, stability control, daytime running lights, engine immobilizer, steel wheels, tire pressure monitor, front all-season tires, rear all-season tires. This beauty will even make your house keys jealous. Drive it today.